Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to be finding the value of an expression given the value of the variable. So we have 4 examples that we're going to go through together in order to get this down. So let's jump right into number 1 here, where we have 3 plus m if m equals 8. So we would read this: find the value of the expression 3 plus m if m equals 8. So that m within our expression is our variable, our missing piece. Well, we are given what the value or how much that m is worth right here. M equals 8. So in order to solve, we need to plug that 8 in for the m. So we would have 3 plus 8. And now we're able to solve, and that will give us the answer or value of the expression. And 3 plus 8 equals 11. So that's our value or answer to number 1. Number 2, we have 10a minus 3. So find the value of the expression 10a minus 3 if a equals 2. So right here where we have a number right next to a letter, whenever you see that, that means multiplication. So that means 10 times a, or 10 times the value of a. So let's rewrite our problem with 2 plugged in for a. So 10 times 2 minus 3. And now we're able to solve. So it's just order of operations, which multiplication comes before subtraction. So 10 times 2 is 20. Bring down our subtract 3, and we get to 20 minus 3, which is 17. Number 3, we have w squared minus 8. So find the value of the expression w squared minus 8 if w equals 7. So again, we need to plug in the value of our variable, which in this case it's a 7. So we have 7 squared minus 8. So now we're ready to solve. So order of operations, exponents comes before subtraction. 7 squared does not mean 7 times 2. Remember, an exponent means to expand that 7 out twice and multiply. So it means 7 times 7, which is 49. Bring down our minus 8, and we get to 49 minus 8, which equals 41. And lastly, number 4 here, we have find the value of the expression 6c cubed if c equals 2. So we need to plug this 2 in for the c. And remember, a number right next to a variable means multiplication. So we have 6 times 2 cubed. So order of operations here, exponents come before multiplication. So we need to do 2 cubed, which means 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. Bring down our multiplication sign and the 6, and we do 6 times 8 to wrap this problem up, which is 48. So there you have it. There's how you find the value of an expression given the value of the variable. We plug in and solve. Hopefully that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.